Mishra joining us with these details where the judge has raised concern over his own personal security. He's saying that an atmosphere of fear has been created and even I am feeling threatened. My family, wife, children, while stepping out are feeling threatened. My near and dear ones have advised me and are concerned about my safety. Even those in Lucknow, my family, have raised concern. Pranshu Mishra joins us with more details. Pranshu, so this is what I was talking about earlier when I said that it was read out, but now you have the copy and the judge has actually put it in bold in the order. This security concern.
Yes, that's right. In fact, this is a very strong worded judgment by Mr. Diwakar, the civil judge, senior division of Varanasi, and he clearly says that my family is being threatened. I feel threatened, and he has also asked the administration to take appropriate steps to ensure the safety of his and the family members. The other point the judge wants to say is he has also tried to give a rationale behind his decision, and I think there is a certain concern on his mind that people should not see him overzealous, and he's saying that this is a normal case. This is a simple case of civil suit, and in the case of civil suit, the commissions like this are formed, and the report is sought by the commission. It is being blown out of proportion. It is being, played out in an entirely different perspective. So that is, I think, also a concern on the part of the civil judge that is trying to send out a message that his moves are purely as part of the judicial process, which is done, and he has also cited Allahabad High Court saying that civil cases like these are the normal procedures, and therefore this survey is a normal exercise. Now, coming to one important point, that tomorrow is the Friday. Last Friday, remember, Anand, when on 6th of May, when we were reporting from Gyanvapi, we had seen a huge build-up of Muslims coming in there for namaz. That is also the possibility tomorrow. So here we were speaking to some people who are the petitioners and parties in this case. They say that they might be needing time. Remember, there are some lawyers, Vishnu Jain, Harishankar Jain, who are the part of the commission. They are still in Delhi. So I think they'll also wait for them to come. So possibility is that this, survey may not actually start tomorrow. Preparation is needed for all the survey team to actually come and start doing the survey. So the possibility is that survey actually starts day after
well,
tomorrow.
I have Harishankar Jain ji with me live. Pranshu, let's ask him. Harishankar Jain ji, कल सुबह से कहा गया है कि हर रोज जब तक सर्वे खत्म नहीं होता आप करिए 8 से 12 और स्थानीय प्रशासन को फैसिलिटेट करना पड़ेगा. तो क्या आप जाएंगे? Will you and Vishnu actually go to Varanasi now?
By all means, I and Vishnu both will go. We will participate. We will participate there, and on each day from 8 to 12.
Namaste, Vishnu.
Yes, Anandji, we both will be going to be a part of this survey, and this is a very historical verdict because I think today the rule of law, the majesty of law is upheld, and this is a very important order because the honorable judge has specifically pointed out to open those locked rooms, whether it is locked or not. You have specifically read that those rooms are not locked. So the district administration now has to cooperate, and after 1990, this will be the first time in the Indian history that those sealed rooms will be opened, and whatever claim we are making that there are deities, there are Hindu Devi Devtas inside those sealed rooms will be opened and shown before the, will be made a part of the record of the court.
Well, I just want to understand, Vishnuji and Harishankarji, what I want to understand is, Pranshu Mishra is saying that maybe the Hindu Paksh will not do the survey tomorrow, or the survey may not happen tomorrow morning, because one, tomorrow is Jummah, and even though the time is 8 to 12 and Jummah namaz is sometime around 1 p.m. The other thing is they are waiting for you, both of you, to come to Varanasi so that they have some formalities and they want to get through paperwork. So are you going to leave for Banaras today? You are in Delhi, I'm given to understand. Or are they going to go ahead? Or are they going to go ahead with the survey anyways tomorrow? How are you going to take this forward? Because Pranshu is saying I've spoken to the local people and they are waiting for your advice. So let's get the clarity from you. That's why I told Pranshu कि आप साथ में बैठे मेरे.
See, we will be informed by the Advocate Commissioner the schedule of this entire event. All the lawyers will be informed. It is not just our prerogative. It will be informed to the lawyers of the other side also. And after a consensus between all the lawyers, the survey will start. But the court has mentioned that before 17th, this survey has to be concluded. So I think that in this entire exercise, 2-3 days will be taken, at least 4 days. So maybe day after tomorrow on Saturday, this survey will start. And anyways, we'll be reaching there as per the schedule, and we will be participating in the survey.
You'll be participating. So then Pranshu, you are there with me, and we've got the order copy. Vishnu Jain and Harishankar Jain now confirming that maybe it will not start tomorrow. They'll start it from Saturday, but they are going to come to Varanasi tomorrow. The other part is the important aspect of this order is the judge is saying, as per his knowledge, Vishnu Jain and Harishankar Jain, as per his knowledge in the order copy, the judge is saying that I don't think any portion of the temple complex is locked. The Anjuman Intizamiya had turned around and said that there is ambiguity in what has been defined as the property which is open for survey or the area open for survey. Was there any ambiguity? Because the judge keeps repeating and says 41 page दस्तावेज है और 11 ग की बात वो 26 अप्रैल को भी की थी, आज भी की है उन्होंने.
Yes, this question is from me.
Between you and your father, please explain.
Yes. See, our application asking for advocate commissioner is very specific. We have said that inside the disputed structure, our Devi Devtas and Hindu deities are there. And this clear order was misinterpreted by the respondent, saying that there is no clear order and this is not Khasra number 9130. Now let me tell you that in Deen Muhammad's case in 1936, this property was defined as Khasra number 9130. Apart from that was civil suit number 62 of 1936. Apart from that, the Muslim side themselves in applications have mentioned this property as Khasra number 9130. So this was clear an exercise to somehow delay the survey, and now the honorable judge, the honorable court, and Anand, I want to tell one more thing.
Jay.
On 18th of August, on 5th of April, on 8th of April, on 26th of April, and on 21st of April, for this particular property, 5 orders was passed, and the Muslim side had went in appeal before the Allahabad High Court. If the orders were not for this property, then why they had approached the Allahabad High Court? Anyways, all those controversies I think have been put to rest. This 41 pages order is very clear. The court has specifically come down very harsh on the district administration, who was a silent spectator on 6th and 7th. And as per our knowledge, because saying you have asked the question so far as log aspect is concerned, there was advocate commissioner which was conducted on 30th of July 1997, and the report of the advocate commissioner was that the lower basement and the tehkana is logged, and the keys of that basement is with the district administration. Now if the court is saying that those are not logged, whether it is logged, it is not logged, it has to be opened. It has to be broken, it has to be opened. Even if it is not logged, it is very well and good.
Right.
But if it is logged, district administration has to open it, and the commission has to enter and do the videography and photography of the entire area.
Right. So the entire property in question, that is plot number 9130, anything and everything above, below or under, whatever it is, it comes under the purview of the survey. That's what this order says. It is subject to a review with the district judge, but I spoke to the Anjuman Intizamiya secretary and they said they will consult their lawyers whether they want to go for a review, but the review will also not happen before Monday. You have Saturday and Sunday if the survey is not happening tomorrow, but survey has to be facilitated over Saturday and Sunday. Harishankar Jain ji and Vishnu Jain, thank you very, very much for making the time and speaking with us. And I know you're going to be heading to Varanasi. I'm hoping that one of you will spare some time to speak with me later this evening at 8 p.m. We're going to be speaking about the Gyanvapi and asking this question ki ab to survey karwayenge. But thank you very much for joining us at this point. Many reactions coming through.